As the first of dawn breaks over the working material that will allow thousands to become high-quality luxury white leather products like belts, wallets, handbags, shoes, and jackets. With expert hands and experienced eyes that value near-thick hides to ensure immediate eyeless of high-quality material is chosen for crafting premium luxury leather goods destined for the world's most discerning customers.
Easy now, up the ramp. Keep it steady. All in, close it up.
Upon reaching the secure gates of the modern Whitehorn bull leather processing facility, these massive heavyweight animals with their enormous horns prepared to prepare premium hides will begin their transformation.
Keep moving into the pen. Sprays on, hold steady. Good, now toward health check.
Before any processing begins, a final detailed health examination and precise hide quality check is performed by experts to guarantee that only the very best thick hides from these massive heavyweight items. After the final health and hide inspection, a continuous and deployment mass down the area of the factory, where modern processing begins. Strict keep-well protocols has transformed their thick hides into premium luxury leather. Using modern humane stunning methods, the animals are rendered unconscious instantly and safely, ensuring both animal welfare standards and the highest quality preservation of the thick hides destined for luxury leather production.
Aligning left side, steady feed. Right side good, moving in. Blades engaged, watch tension. Adjusting tension now.
In the core fleshing stage,
Steady flow on the belt, thickness looks good.
Creating a clean and uniform pelt that forms the foundation for high-quality luxury leather production.
Adjusting tension now. Even thickness, keep it steady.
Using advanced splitting technology, the thick hide is carefully divided into layers. The premium heavyweight hide now enters the dedicated hide processing line, where it will undergo initial cleaning and preservation to maintain its superior quality for the creation of fine luxury leather items. After transport and initial separation, the exceptionally thick hide from the same massive Whitehorn bull passes through the main factory entrance under strict security protocols, beginning its official journey deep inside the processing facility. In the washing drums, the heavyweight hide undergoes its first intensive cleaning process using controlled water flow and gentle solutions, ensuring the premium leather material is free from unwanted residue in thickness. After washing, excess moisture is carefully drained from the thick hide before it moves to the salting stage, a traditional yet precisely controlled process that helps preserve the high-quality Whitehorn bull leather for future luxury manufacturing.
All right, lift on 3.
Ready to remove any remaining tissue and impurities, preparing the material for long-term preservation and eventual luxury use. In the initial curing stage, coarse salt is carefully and evenly applied across the flat side and left side, drawing out remaining moisture and beginning a preservation process that will protect the premium leather material for luxury production. Inside the precisely controlled curing rooms, the salted heavyweight hide from the Whitehorn bull is stored under ideal temperature and humidity, allowing the salt to fully penetrate and preserve the thick material for future luxury leather manufacturing. After the curing period is complete, the preserved thick hide is carefully unfolded and inspected, with excess salt removed to prepare it for the next stages of thorough cleaning and sorting. With residual salt carefully brushed away, the cured heavyweight hide receives its first deep cleaning after curing, ensuring the material is ready for detailed inspection and sorting based on quality and thickness. At the sorting and grading station, experts carefully evaluate the thick Whitehorn bull hide for quality, thickness, and uniformity, marking the best sections that will eventually become the finest luxury leather for high-end products. This section looks very consistent.
Yes, mark it. The grain is excellent.
Identifying the sections that meet the high standards required for luxury leather goods such as premium belts, wallets, and handbags. The selected grain layer now enters the tanning drums, where it will be treated with tanning agents that transform the raw hide into stable, durable leather while preserving its natural beauty and strength. During the critical tanning process, the hide is tumbled in the drum for several hours, allowing the tanning chemicals to fully penetrate and stabilize the collagen fibers, converting the raw material into genuine leather suitable for luxury items. After tanning is complete, excess liquid is drained from the leather to prepare it for the next stages. This tan material from the heavyweight Whitehorn bull now possesses the durability and flexibility needed for premium luxury products. Following tanning and wringing, the leather undergoes fat liquoring, where special oils are introduced to restore its natural softness and flexibility, ensuring the final material will be supple yet strong for crafting elegant luxury leather goods. In the fat liquoring stage, special oils are carefully worked into the tanned Whitehorn bull leather to restore its natural softness and flexibility, preparing the high-quality material for the transformation in jackets. The leather is now slowly dried under controlled conditions to achieve the ideal moisture content, ensuring it remains supple and strong, ready for the critical stages where it will be crafted into premium luxury items. The leather is now slowly dried under controlled conditions to achieve the ideal moisture content, ensuring it remains supple and strong, ready for the critical stages where it will be crafted into premium luxury items. Expert craftsmen now mark precise patterns on the premium white-horn bull leather for various luxury items. Every cut is calculated to maximize quality and minimize waste, ensuring only the exclusive belts, wallets, handbags, shoes, and jackets. Expert craftsmen now mark precise patterns on the premium white-horn bull leather for various luxury items. Every cut is calculated to maximize quality and minimize waste, ensuring only exclusive belts, wallets, handbags, shoes, and jackets. The cut pieces undergo skiving to create smooth, thin edges per folding and stitching. Bits will have clean lines and the refined feel expected in high-end products. With skilled precision, the leather is cut into components for luxury products. These carefully shaped pieces, destined to become elegant wallets, durable belts, tannin shoes, represent the beginning of the final transformation. Advanced automated feeding systems now take over, precisely aligning the premium white-horn bull leather components for the next high-tech stages. This combination of skilled human oversization. Using computer-controlled stitching technology, the leather pieces are joined with exceptional precision and consistency. This automated process creates clean, professional seams that give the final luxury items the refined finish expected in high-end leather goods. Automated edge finishing systems apply precise paint and protective coatings to the cut edges of the leather. This high-tech step ensures every luxury wallet, belt, and handbag has a clean, professional, and long-lasting appearance. Robotic systems now handle the precise attachment of metal hardware such as buckles, rivets, and zippers. This automation ensures perfect alignment and secure fastening on the luxury leather items while maintaining the highest standards of craftsmanship. Advanced automated quality scanning systems use cameras and sensors to inspect every detail of the luxury leather items. This technology guarantees that only pieces meeting the strictest standards for luxury belts, wallets, handbags, shoes, and jackets proceed to the final stages.
Hold it steady there, aligning the edges precisely.
Combining that springs of that automation effort which that party support base sophisticated.
As the luxury leather items near completion, they enter the final finishing and polishing stage. Here, the premium white-horn bull leather receiving out the natural beauty, softness, and durability that define true luxury craftsmanship. In the precision finishing lines, the luxury leather items receive careful polishing and buffing to bring out the natural depth and luster of the white-horn bull leather. The cut white premium leather pieces are now brought together for the assembly of a luxury white handbag. Skilled workers carefully align each panel to ensure perfect symmetry and structure in the final product. Using precision sewing techniques, the white leather panels are joined to form the structure of the luxury handbag. Every stitch is carefully executed to maintain strength and give the bag its elegant shape. High-quality white leather handles and straps are securely attached to the handbag. This step gives the luxury bag its functional elegance while maintaining the clean white aesthetic of the premium white-horn bull leather. Premium metal hardware including zippers, buckles, and protective feet are carefully installed on the white leather handbag, adding both functionality and a high-end finishing touch to the luxury product. The white leather handbag undergoes final shaping and edge finishing. This meticulous process ensures the bag has elegant lines, sharp corners, and a flawless white appearance from every angle. High-quality white leather handles and straps are securely attached to the handbag. This step gives the luxury bag its functional elegance while maintaining the clean white aesthetic of the premium white-horn bull leather. The interior of the luxury white handbag is completed with soft lining, practical pockets, and elegant closures. This attention to detail inside and out makes the bag truly worthy of the premium white-horn bull leather. Here is the fully finished luxury white leather handbag, crafted entirely from the premium white-horn bull leather. With its elegant design, flawless white craftsmanship, this bag represents the pinnacle of quality and luxury produced in the factory. A thin protective coating is precisely applied to the finished luxury leather items including wallets, belts, and handbags. This final treatment enhances durability and water resistance while protecting the beautiful natural grain and luster. With precision finishing and final inspection successfully completed, the high-quality luxury leather items crafted from the massive white-horn bull leather are now carefully transferred to the packaging area, where they receive their final presentation before leaving the factory as premium products. In the precision polishing stage, the luxury Nister Isles crafted ball-thing chas, giving them the rank-charging period expected in high-end wallets, belts, handbags, and shoes. A final gentle surface cleaning removes any microscopic residue, leaving the premium white-horn bull leather items spotless and ready for the last protective treatment before packaging. A thin protective coating is precisely applied to all the finished luxury leather items. This final treatment adds water resistance and long-term protection while keeping the beautiful natural grain and supple feel of the premium white-horn bull leather intact. Stitching and edges are flawless on the wallet. Smoothness is perfect on the belt, buckle aligned. Handbag and shoe uppers are fully symmetrical. All items approved, arranging for packaging. With all precision finishing and final inspection successfully completed, the high-quality luxury leather items made from massive white-horn bull leather to the packaging area, where they will receive their final elegant presentation before leaving the factory. In the final packaging stage, the premium luxury leather items crafted from the white-horn bull leather, including wallets, handbags, and tation boxes, ensuring they arrive to customers in perfect condition.
Wallet box is ready for the label. Handbag box is ready too. Applying the label now. Labels are on, moving to the conveyor.
After sealing and final verification, the packaged luxury leather goods are secured with tamper-evident seals inside elegant white boxes, protecting their premium quality during storage and transportation while presenting a clean, sophisticated look. In the modern warehouse, the packaged luxury leather items are safely stored under controlled conditions, maintaining their pristine quality until they are ready for shipment to exclusive retailers and customers globally. And this is how modern factories produce premium luxury leather items from powerful whitehorn bulls, from raw hides through precise processing to exquisite wallets and uncompromising quality from start to finish.